Hello and welcome. It's Chilli Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little pour. Just something again that I had in my head. I did something similar a little while ago, but I'm going to add some really nice bright colours. So my pouring medium recipe is in the drop down box underneath this video, as is links to beginners videos. So all the information is there, the suppliers are there. I have an Amazon shop that I get that have my products, and if you're in Australia there's the Capriole Shabby Chic, so it's all there. I really do get asked nearly every single time, so, and I repeat myself, I know all the time, but I still get asked the same questions, but never mind. So I'm going to, not sure if I'll do it the repeat way. Yeah, I'll do it this way. So I'm gonna, this is the cool yellow. So I'm just coating my canvas in the cool yellow. We'll see if this works out this time in something bright. I tried it before in more supple colours. Turned out lovely, and so I'm hoping that it does the same again with something really bright. Just nice and easy, just spread your paint out. There's no don't have to get it perfect, just put it on. Not too worried about the edges, because I can always do those afterwards or as I go along. But that's a nice even coating of that. Rightio, so I wanted the really nice bright beautiful colour, so I have the cool red mixed with a bit of the metallic copper, and it gives this absolutely, I'll call it razzle dazzle red, gives this gorgeous colour, and because the metallic is in there it's just glistening, so that's really lovely too. And I'm going to pour that on like so. The nice bright colours in there. I am going to use some gold in there. So this is the metallic gold. Plenty. This one is the cyan, C-Y-A-N blue. Cyan blue. So I'm putting some of that in there. I just hope it doesn't send it all green. And then I will add some of my navy, which is the dark, you just as the darkest blue, add a blob of black and a blob of dark green, makes a beautiful navy. I'm going to put some of that through this top bit. Righty-o. I think that will do it. I'm just going to, just a gentle tilt of the paint to cover my canvas. Yep. Just take it nice and easy. Your art room, your rules, your way, remember. Keep it in your head. Don't let the negative thoughts enter it. So, where is my white? I'm going to put some of the white. This is Amsterdam white mixed with the Floetrol. It gives me lovely lacing. But so, and I've done the same with this. I made up some of my Berry Delicious, and I put a bit of the probably of the Floetrol with that too, so it just creates lovely lacing. Let's see if I'll just put a bit in there and I want this lovely lacing in it, and then I will use the white to go a nice thick line there. And I think I might try my silicone mats if I can find them. Where are my silicone mats? This is crazy, I can't find anything. Silicone, where have you gone? Oh, here we go. It's always in front of your eyes. I'm going to try swiping with, this is a silicone drawer liner that you can get, you know, that's supposed to be for your kitchen. So I'm going to try and swipe with this and see if it gives a different effect. So let's go. Missed a bit there, but never mind. Kind of knew that that would cause that to go green. Wow, look at that. These silicone wipers, you can obviously put them into soapy water and rewash them again, so nothing simpler than that really. Just leave it to the very tip to settle into your paint, and then just slowly draw it towards you. Wow, wow, wow. I'll just put that in the bucket of soapy water. Give it a wash. Watch those cells develop. Yeah, it was definitely going to make that green by adding the blue with the yellow, but look at the cell creation in that. It's gone really lacy. Let me give it a bit of a heat. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Now my idea was to do just in the upper bits. I did this before, so do some flowers with the big balloon, so it gives a whole different effect. The bigger balloon. Just put your belly button between your fingers so it holds it, and grip onto your balloon. This is quite blown up, quite a lot bigger than I would normally have it, but I wanted to get these nice kind of sunflower looks in here. That's all I want at the top. So just give your balloon a good wipe over. Get all the colour off it. So what I want to do is I either can leave it till it dries off a little bit more, or, you know, I want to do the stems in on it, but also I would like to use my smaller balloon to put a bit of, what do you call it, a bit of colour in there. So I'm going to just try and dip it in the runoff paint, which is some of the runoff paint where I tilted, and then dip it, kiss it. That hasn't come out too good, but what will work is if I leave this to dry off and then come back and do the same again, the paint will adhere to it a lot more. So the paints are still very wet, so I need to walk away, practice what I preach, then come back and try it again. I'm just thinking, I might try and do the stems with my little, where is it? I might do the stems to it with the dark colour. Maybe even, this might work, doing it like that. And at the bottom I might do some rolls, so it just gets rid of any at the bottom. So it's just getting your balloon and literally rolling it over the paint and gives this lovely sort of feathering effect. So literally roll it off. Just want that effect on the bottom. I'll definitely have to come back and do a little bit more detail in the centre of my, well, they kind of look like dandelions, don't they, but yellow. But there you go. I'm quite happy with that. So let's just see if I can add a little bit of the blue to the base now, and if it'll give me any different result. Just the smaller one again. Oh, that's better. Oh yes, much better. Much better. I like that actually darker in there. I'm going to leave that exactly how it is. I'm going to leave it. I like it. The cells are gorgeous. I will put some photos close-ups and show you these really lovely lacy cells. Really happy with that. This is just a sunny, happy little happy creation. So I hope you enjoy that. That's my today's little quick creation for you, and if you want to try it, please do so. If you want to join our Australian acrylic pouring group, there's a link below for that. You can be in any part of the world to join our Australian acrylic pouring group and show us all your art there. Be supportive of one another, and it's a really safe place to be. We don't tolerate any craziness, so please come and join us. Until tomorrow, my friends, stay safe and create. So bye for now.